Hey, I come from the field, but I win in the bid room. If you're trying to estimate a job without really knowing how to read construction documents, you're setting yourself up to miss scope, lose money, or both. Here's what you need to know. Construction documents include plans, specs, addenda, RFIs, and bulletins. As an estimator, your job is not just to look at pretty drawings. Your job is to hunt down scope, quantities, and risk. Every plan set is broken down by discipline. You've got C sheets for civil, A for architectural, S for structural, M for mechanical, E for electrical. Learn to bounce between them fast. That's where the scope lives. And don't ignore the title block. That's your command center. It tells you the sheet name, scale, issue date, and revision history. If you're not tracking revisions, you're missing scope. Now let's talk specs. Div 00 is procurement. Div 01 is general requirements, and Div 02 through 49. That's where the real meat lives. If the drawings say cast in place and the specs say precast, you've got a problem. Bottom line, learn to cross-reference everything. Good estimators don't guess, they verify. I'm Mason Steele. I come from the field, but I win in the bid room. Follow for more.